Organizations have used docSTAR to increase processing speed and reduce processing costs, enhance visibility, internal controls, accuracy, and cash management. Let's take a look at some of the benefits of the Eclipse Accounts Payable Smart Process solution. Here's how easy it is to respond to a vendor request with instant retrieval of supporting documentation from within your ERP or accounting system. Instantly review documentation for any accounting transaction and distribute it internally or externally, quickly and easily. The CFO can gain greater insight into work processes. Eclipse workflow queues allow you to instantly determine the status and assignment of in-process invoices so that you can take appropriate action when necessary. Now let's take a look at the solution. Here's an example of the Smart Process workflow driven by our Eclipse Accounts Payable solution. In this organization, the AP workflow requires a review of the inbound invoice against the original PO and the receiver information delivery ticket, also known as a three-way match. In the PO-based AP invoice workflow shown, documents are captured from multiple inbound sources in multiple formats and funneled into one uniform workflow where they can be recognized, classified, indexed, and routed automatically. Invoice three-way matching is performed via integration with the ERP backend to automate the review process. Upon success, the invoice is routed through an amount threshold check and routed for CFO approval or to the AP clerk to be posted for payment. When there is an exception, the exception is identified and the invoice is routed to the appropriate person or group for exception handling. Notifications are sent within Eclipse as well as via email alerts to keep everyone informed. Here's a PDF containing 6 vendor invoices that we've imported onto the desktop. We'll now drag and drop this PDF into the automated import folder to begin the workflow. The Eclipse Intelligent Data Capture module instantly identifies 6 distinct invoices and separates them. Vendor name, invoice number, invoice date, invoice amount, and other relevant information, including line item detail, are automatically extracted from each invoice. In addition, vendor ID, vendor GL, and line item GL codes were looked up in the ERP or accounting system and also assigned as index information. The Intelligent Data Capture module automates the process of recognizing the invoice, capturing index information, classifying and appropriately assigning the invoice to the correct workflow while simultaneously populating your ERP or accounting system transactions. The Eclipse workflow queue contains the list of invoices currently in process and their status. You can view or act on any of these invoices instantly. In this case, the CFO is reviewing invoices for approval from her workflow queue. She can either approve invoices right from the queue or drill down into the specific transaction documents for further review and approval. Once approved, invoices are now ready for payment. As you can see, the Eclipse Accounts Payable Smart Process solution can immediately transform your manual and tedious processes into intelligent, efficient, and automated processes. Free up your team to take on higher value initiatives that further improve your organization's bottom line.